This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Vitilex 150mg tablet is a potent medication designed for managing infections and kidney conditions. It effectively addresses parasitic and worm infections. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for the management of parasitic infections and worm infections. It is also used in cases of steroid-sensitive nephrotic syndrome, SSNS, and is recommended during and after treatment with corticosteroids like prednisone or prednisolone. How it works. Vitilex functions by suppressing enzyme activity in the muscles of parasites, leading to their paralysis and death, while also restoring immune function in specific kidney conditions. Directions for use. Take the medication as prescribed by your healthcare provider. It is important to swallow the tablet whole with a glass of water and not to crush or chew it. Your doctor will determine the appropriate dosage and duration based on your age, body weight, and specific health condition. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include nausea, vomiting, decreased appetite, diarrhea, constipation, headache, and sleepiness. If any of these symptoms worsen, it is important to consult a healthcare professional. Precautions and warnings. This medication is not recommended for use in pregnant or breastfeeding women, as it may affect the baby. Caution is advised for individuals with liver or kidney disease, and it is essential to avoid alcohol consumption during treatment due to potential adverse effects. FAQs. 1. Can I drink alcohol while taking this medication? No, alcohol should be avoided as it may cause severe side effects. 2. Can it cause constipation? Yes, constipation is a possible side effect. 3. Is it safe during breastfeeding? No, it is not recommended for breastfeeding women. 4. Can it be used in patients with liver disease? Caution is advised for those with liver conditions. Thank you for watching this informative video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment below.